What is vertical alignment? You may be familiar with aligning your math lesson to a set of standards. But what does TEA mean when they discuss the importance of vertical alignment? Vertical alignment documents the progression of learning from grade level to grade level. This is different from horizontal alignment, where we look to see that each teacher within a specific grade level is teaching the same material. Students learn many different sets of knowledge and skills related to mathematics that build upon each other. Understanding this progression of learning across the curriculum continuum provides teachers and administrators the ability to better support mathematical, conceptual, and skill-based development. Why is a vertically aligned math curriculum important for students? It demonstrates both the breadth and depth necessary to master the mathematics graduation requirements. It provides a progression of learning to guide students through a skill sequence that builds towards future learning. As a teacher, understanding the TEK's mathematical vertical alignment will help you better understand what your students have already mastered and how what you are teaching them will be critical for mastery in future learning opportunities. Why is a vertically aligned math curriculum important for teachers and administrators? It develops a deep understanding of how their grade-level curriculum fits into a student's developmental experience. It supports the identification of gaps in the student's knowledge and skills for current learning. It accesses resources to help remediate or extend learning opportunities within the progression of learning. For Algebra 1 teachers, we recommend using the TEK's vertical alignment chart grades 5 through Algebra 1 and Algebra 2. There are 6 columns of standards for each grade level from 5th grade through Algebra 2. The standards that can be linked together to demonstrate the progression of learning are along a single row. If you see an empty box, there may not be a specific standard set in that grade level. All of the grade level standards have been clustered together within topical sections. These section labels are in the black bars before the vertical alignment is provided. Algebra 1 contributes to a wide range of topic areas. Be aware that sometimes one objective for Algebra 1 could show up in more than one topic area. When you want to find the progression of learning for a specific Algebra 1 TEKs, you'll scroll down the 5th column looking for the TEKs. Let's look for 2H. Write linear inequalities in 2 variables given a table of values, a graph, and a verbal description. When you scroll through the document, you'll find this standard in the section for representing problem situations with equations and inequalities on page 11. If we scan to the left and to the right of the Algebra 1 column, we see that the prerequisite skills for this TEKs start in grade 6 and grade 7 with the foundational skills. By 8th grade, the complexity deepens to include inequalities and variables on both sides of the equation. After they master the Algebra 1 skills, students will progress to building systems of 2 inequalities in Algebra 2. At the beginning of each unit in the RACE program, you'll have an opportunity to review the vertical alignment for the TEKs covered. This knowledge will help you support learners by identifying gaps in the progression of skills and then locating resources to help remediate and extend the learning.